Hello friends, welcome to another series of tutorial. We are starting new series of tutorial for Delta PLC and HMI. In this series, we will cover all points from basic to advanced level, and we will see learning from step by step. Okay. If you are very new in this automation field and you are quite confused for where to start to learn PLC programming, don't worry. This is a perfect series for you, and this is perfect channel for you. So first hit the subscribe button and don't miss any tutorial. Let's begin. So in this series we are going to see I will show you what we are going to cover in this new series. So I have listed out some few key points here. So very first, so this is a free of cost. This course will be free of cost. I will just post one by one video on this YouTube channel. This tutorial will be from basic level, very basic level. So if you are very fresher in this field, then you can learn PLC from this tutorial. Okay. So I am going to start with basic and next to another advanced level. Okay. So you don't need any hardware for this course. Okay. However, I will use the hardware to show you wiring and all, but for your side you don't need any hardware. Okay, you can learn from simulation facilities available in this Delta PLC. Okay, so first we will see the PLC software training. So I will explain you all PLC software details. I will explain each and every part of the software. I will explain how to write ladder logic. Then we will go for HMI software. So in HMI side, I will show you how to design HMI, how to take screens, how to take numeric inputs and all. And what are the key factors for HMI design? Okay. Then we will see a different communication protocols like RS-232, RS-485. Then we will communicate the PLC with VFD. We will communicate PLC with servo. Okay. So let's start with software. So for PLC, for any Delta PLC, we have two softwares. First one is WPLSoft and second one is ISPsoft. So these both software we can use for PLC programming. However, the WPLSoft is very popular software, and ISPsoft is recently launched by Delta. But now people are using ISPsoft also. Okay. But most of the people programmer are familiar with WPLSoft. I personally also use we are going to use WPLSoft in this series of software, in this series of tutorial. Okay, so for PLC we have two softwares. First one is WPLSoft and second one is ISPsoft, but we will go with WPLSoft. And for HMI development we have software of WPLSoft, DOPSoft. So DOPSoft will be the software for HMI design, screen designing and all. Okay. So now I will tell you how to download this WPLSoft, okay, and DOPSoft. So just in Google Chrome, if you type download WPLSoft, you will have the first 2-3 websites. You can download from here or you can download from PLC for me. I will give you the link in description. Okay, we will provide this link in description. You can click here and you can download the software. Here you can see Delta PLC programming software, WPLSoft. Okay, by clicking here, your downloading will start. It's very easy to install the software. Once your download finish, you just need to extract this setup file and just click on setup and click on next. Your software will be ready to use. It's not a very big deal. It's very easy to install. Okay, from here you can download this setup and just click on this setup. Okay, So for WPSoft, I will also give the link for WPSoft. Okay, we'll provide this all link in description. You can download this software and you can install it. So after installation, you will have this WPLSoft in your software. So I will just give you the intro of this software. So this is first view of WPLSoft. If you open the software, this will be the first page. Here you can see some settings, communication setting, Ethernet, direct link and all. So from file you can create new project here. From communication you can establish the communication with PLC. Okay, here are some more settings. So here, from here you can put your PLC in run mode, stop mode, and from here you can set the communication protocol of your PLC with your PC. So I will just show you which PLC are covered in this software. So all these PLC model numbers are given here. So all these PLCs are covered in this WPLSoft. We can program all these PLCs in this WPLSoft. Okay. So all these are the PLCs. I will show you the hardware also. Okay. Here in help you can see the version of your WPLSoft, that is WPLSoft version 2.50. Okay. And for WPSoft, let's open the WPSoft. So this is WPSoft 4.06 version. Okay. So after opening WPSoft, this is first page of WPSoft. So here you can see your recent projects. You can open your recent projects from here. Okay. In help you can see your version. So this is 4.06. Okay. Then if you can upload the HMI backup from this, and you can create new file, new project from here, or you can just create here new file. Okay, you can select HMI model number from here. You can do the programming for all these type of HMI in the software. If you have any old series HMI, then you need just a lower version of this WPSoft. Okay, this is just introduction of software. So I will explain you the step by step in next lecture, the brief of this software. Now I will just show you the look of the PLC and HMI. This is Delta PLC, model number of DVP14SS2. Okay, so here you can see this is the side view of PLC, this is front view. Okay, so here 3 LEDs are there. This is power run error. Whenever we will provide the power to PLC, this LED will glow. So if PLC is run mode, this will be in green state. If PLC is in error mode, then this will be in a red state. Okay, so this is one switch here, run and stop. So if this switch is up, it means it is in run condition. If we took it to stop, then PLC program will stop. So this should be always in run mode. So here this port is for RS232 port. Okay, so this port we can use for programming as well as for HMI communication purpose. Here you can see another one port. This is RS485 port. So this port is used for RS485 communication. So we can connect HMI device or any other RS485 communication device. So this is power port. So we need to provide a 24 volt supply through this connector. So this is DI. All these are the digital input. All these are the digital output. So if I plug out this, you can plug out these connectors. So here you can see all these are the inputs x0, x1 to x7, means this has 8 digital inputs, and this is y0 to y5, means it has 6 digital output. So 8 plus 6, it is 14, so that's why name given 14. Okay, so here you can see model number and all. So last R indicates relay output, so if it is T, it means transistor output. So here this port is for extension port. So if I open this, you can connect DI/DI module to this port. Okay, so this is locks which we can lock to Dindel. So if we put extension card here, then we need to lock this, so extension card will be locked. Okay, so this is PLC. Now you can see this is HMI. So this is Delta Make HMI 4-inch screen. Here you can see model number is DOP103BQ. Okay, so this is for power port, so plus 24 and 0 volt. So this port is for communication purpose. So RS232 and RS485 both protocols are inbuilt in this port. So this one is for communication port, so we can download the program in this HMI through laptop or PC via this port. And this is for USB port, so we can connect USB, we can store the data in this USB. And these are the locks. Okay,